So MYP3 tutors, I made this video because I know the last explanation I gave about how students can finalize their service records was not using our school, so I made a fake student account. So I'll just show you how you finalize the process with your kids. So first, this is from the kids dashboard. So when they go into services action, they should see their awareness campaign. And so this is what they will see. They'll see the goal, the aim, and the learning outcomes they were hoping to achieve. And then if they click here, this is where they put their reflections. And so what I would like them to do, once they feel that they have finalized the process, is they now have this thumbs up. That means I've approved all the activities. If they have a different symbol, please let me know and I can make sure that it's approved. But the big thing they need to do is make sure that they have you as the supervisor of the project. So if I go to edit activity, just make sure that they have this filled in with your school email. And then they need to click this button, Request a Supervisor Review. And once they do that, then you can finalize the process. And I'll show you what that looks like. So now I'm looking at this through the teacher's view. So I'll go to M3, and I will go down. Actually, I'm going to go to M5 because my fake student's in M5. And here he is. And so I can see that he sent this review, and I can so I have a button here where I can complete the supervisor review, and I can read the student's reflections, and if I think they've achieved the skill that they were looking at, I can click submit. If I go back and I think they achieved one of the two, I can submit as well, or I can just submit and say they didn't achieve it if I don't feel like they've given me enough evidence. So this is the way that you'll finalize this process. And if I go back to the student after that's done, this will then change to completed. So you'll know that this is done, and the students will know if they've got this check mark. So hopefully that helps to understand how you finalize what they did in semester 1. If you have any questions, please let me know.